Alright, so you got a Ford Ranger 2002 and all the years that correspond to this particular model. You got a tailgate handle that's busted. You're going to have to take off those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. You take the bolts off. You're going to have this plate here. Take that off. Get the screwdriver. See how I did that? Show how to do this again. Screwdriver. The bar, just keep your hand and just pull it up like that. Same thing with this one, pull it up. Now take off those two 10 bolts. Once you take the bolts off, take off the old one. The old one broke. You have the bolts sticking out here. Put the two number 10 bolts back on. First back on, just make sure that you have it all the way out and coming in as much as possible, and then just snap it back on. Put that plate back, put the 8 screws on to hold it back down, and you can thank me later for not paying the guy $50 for doing it. It only took tops 15 minutes.